This is a 2017 Harley Davidson
Ultra Limited Low.
What the low means basically is through the factory, the bike has
It's been lowered about 1 3/4 inches closer to the ground. Gives the bike a
lower center of gravity.
The big thing is that it makes it easier for folks that aren't 6 foot tall to be able to flat foot this bike when they're stopped.
This is a very low mileage
2017 Limited Low. It has 3,511 original miles
on the odometer. The color is a great two-tone metallic. It is Mysterious Red Sunglo and Velocity Red Sunglo. Great color in the sun. Being the 17 model, also it has all the Rushmore improvements to the fairing, the saddlebags, the tour pack, the frame. It has the Milwaukee 8 107 cubic inch engine, which gives you a lot of torque, increased horsepower over the 103 engine. It makes this just a fantastic touring bike. Now this 2017 Limited Low is very highly accessorized. It has the Harley Davidson chrome and rubber controls package on it, which includes the matching heated grips, the matching floorboards that are custom, matching brake pedal, matching passenger floorboard. It also has the passenger floorboard chrome cover. It also has this great extra Harley Davidson peg for your passengers, so they could find just the perfect spot for their feet for a long ride. Also included with it is the short arm Harley Davidson 360-degree highway pegs, so you can find a sweet spot for your feet, and the matching chrome and rubber highway peg. The Harley Davidson chrome and gold Live to Ride gas door has been added, and also the derby cover matches that. One great option that's been added to this beautiful
Limited Low is the top of the line Harley Davidson Hammock Seat, which is a fantastic long distance seat.
It also includes the adjustable Harley Davidson backrest. The bike is in like new condition. There's no dents, there's no scrapes, no scratches, no chips. Has the premium luggage rack. There's also a 12-volt power point in the tour pack, and also a set of Harley Davidson headsets for you and your passenger. The Harley Davidson chrome LED lights for the fillers have been added, and they are a run, stop, and turn light. Gives you great visibility. Another nice option that's been added to this bike is the 4.5 inch chrome S&S slip-on mufflers. Gives this bike a great sound. The long whip antenna has been replaced with the Harley Davidson short one. The shifter pads are also matching with the Chrome and Harley collection. There's a little holder for your phone. There's also a hidden compartment right here that you can also put your phone or your device in. It plugs into the system. It'll charge your phone or device, your iPod, has your music on it, and interface it into the stereo system, or you can Bluetooth it into the system and use the touch screen or the hand controls to operate it. It is a 6.5-inch boom stereo system that has the GPS, AM, FM weather band, LED headlights in the front, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light. Of course, the lights on the tour pack are also LED, so you have great visibility at night. It has the smart security system with 2 keys, 2 fobs. For a new touring bike, take a real good look at this 2017 Ultra Limited Low. It has the Milwaukee 807-inch engine. It's been lowered about 1 3/4 to help people flat-footed a little better. Loaded with accessories and very low miles at 3,511. For information on how to put this beautiful 2017 Limited Low in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.